All right, let's take a look.
Needs some serious work, but the bones are here.
Yeah, she's seen better days, but we can fix her up.
Okay, thick moss here, lots of rust underneath. We'll need a gentle touch with this section. Wow, look at this.
Incredible.
Absolutely covered in moss.
Yes.
The seats are gone.
Let's get this classic on the road. All right, let's get you inside. Time for the transformation. We'll start with the interior. It's a mess. Grab the dollies, we're bringing it in. All right, just a little further.
All right, let's get you in the air.
All right, let's see what we're working with here.
Yeah, that's a lot of rust, but the water's moving it.
Yeah, steady pressure, getting down to the metal. The paint is really coming back to life.
Yes.
Looks much better, great progress.
Try cutting a bit deeper, it's really stuck here. Heater connection, label this.
Oh. Next is the fuel pump wire.
Got it, power to the dash.
All right, dashboard's out. Looking good. Excellent work. Now we can really see what needs replacing. We'll need to patch this area first, then treat the surrounding metal. Agreed.
That panel's pretty bad.
All right, focusing on this heavy patch now. Got it, looks good. Keep the arc smooth. All right, this panel is done. Perfectly smooth now. It's looking great, ready for the next stage. All right, applying the rust converter now. Yep, looks like it's reacting well. Just watch it do its magic. This panel is far more corroded than we anticipated.
I see it.
I'll cut this section out first. We'll have to fabricate a new piece. The floor pan here was rusted completely through, so we cut out the damaged section. Now we're shaping a patch from fresh sheet metal. The weld is holding perfectly. The chassis is solid now. Just a bit more grinding to make it flush. The Miura's undercarriage is looking much better. Almost ready for paint. All right, let's get this stubborn one loose. Looks like it's really seized up. Just need a bit more leverage. The Miura yellow is iconic, but the rust underneath is the real enemy.
Only the best will do for this masterpiece.
Almost there, just a little more. Looking good, it's really coming together. Time to get this beast cleaned up.
Oh, looks good. Let's drain that old sludge.
Just the beginning. Got a long way to go on this Miura. All right, time to tackle these valve covers.
All right, the block is prepped and the mating surfaces are spotless. Now, let's get these valve covers in the bath.
All right, this is the cleaned block. Look at those internals. We're gonna pull this piston now. It's remarkably well preserved. Incredible work. Look at the precision on this hone, smooth as glass. Incredible work. And the new rings snap right into place, ready for the road. All right, rings are compressed. Wow, looks good. Slow and steady. Copy, lifting now. Watch those lines. Okay, lower it just a few inches.
Okay, this is easy, easy, just a hair more. Perfect. Locks are in. Let's bolt it down.
Torque spec is tight. Nice and secure. The engine rebuild is complete. All right, time to tackle this dent. See it?
Just here. Yeah, I've got it. Slow and steady.
Nice work, looks good. The edges need to be perfect.
Got it. Looks like the bake came out great.
Absolutely pristine. Let's start the reveal.
Exceptional, perfectly smooth, no flaws here. The paint is glossy, but this little spot here has some orange peel. We need to do some wet sanding.
Okay.
Fine sand finish.
All right, time to buff out the final passes on this classic Miura. Just look at this mirror-like finish. The paintwork is flawless.
It looks absolutely incredible.
Almost done. The yellow really pops, doesn't it? The Miura is finally ready. Up top, top, top. Amazing work, John. That yellow is perfect.
Just like the original, one more wipe and we're done.
Looks perfect. Now for the side windows.
Mounting this Campagnola rim, ready.
All right,
This seat needs to be perfect. Looking good, ready for the trim.
almost finished with the Miura's dash. All right, that's seated perfectly. Nice. Looks like we're ready for the final checks.
The panels are gleaming. Every surface, in fact, it just catches you at perfect fit. The paintwork looks perfect. Wheels are ready when you are.
Perfect. Let's get these mounted.
The gloss on this yellow Miura is incredible. Looks perfect, just needs a final detail. Almost done.
The perfect finish. These vents are immaculate.
It's the Miura's V12, restored to perfection.
The taillights are glowing perfectly.
Jazz.
Deactivating the lights now.
The balance is confirmed. Looks good. We can move on to the next step.
Best restoration team. This is a complete masterpiece.
The paint is flawless.
After countless hours, the engine sings. She's finally ready.
It's a true symbol of revival.
After all this time, she's perfect. The best we've ever done. It was a long journey, but it was worth it. Absolutely. She's ready now.